Today we talk about how can you delete your account on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here, click in this sign down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you will find here delete account, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. So you just switch into open video here. So then here add your password, then you click on delete account, then automatically it's going to delete with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.